Hello mga adventurers and viewers! Kumusta? So it's our 20th episode at samahan nyo kami upang pasyalan ang isa sa tagong pasyalan dito sa Lamtang La Trinidad, Benguet, ang Mount Costa. Let's go!
Pasyalan nga natin ang isa pang hidden gem dito sa North Luzon, ang napakagandang Mount Costa in La Trinidad, Benguet, just a few minutes away from Baguio City. Pero bago natin ituloy, gusto ko munang batiin sina Kuya Felix and Ate Kim Talavera, Tita Lilia, Ate Kate and Kuya Ian Alangdeo, and si Nanay Pamela Pasyan. Shout out po sa inyong lahat! And now let me tell you an inspiring story about Mount Costa. Alam niyo ba taong 1978, Colonel Voltaire Acosta and his wife Clotilde Acosta bought 8 hectares of land dito sa La Trinidad, Benguet. Pero noong early 90s, isang plant virus ang tumama sa strawberry crops, and because of that, bumagsak ang strawberry market. At doon na tumigil ang pamilya sa pagtatanim ng strawberries. Pero hindi doon natapos ang kwento. Full of optimism, umasa sina Voltaire at Clotilde na balang araw gagamitin ng kanilang mga anak ang lupa para makatulong sa development ng bansa, especially sa Cordilleras. Fast forward tayo to 2015, during a small family gathering, nag-decide ang Acosta family to transform the land into something unique, a world-class ecotourism destination. At mula sa dating strawberry fields, isinilang ang Mount Costa, the first unique stroll garden of the North.
Ayan mga adventurers and viewers, so ngayon kasama natin ang president dito sa Mount Costa. She's none other than Ma'am Verona Acosta.
Hello!
Po kayo sa ating
Magandang araw sa inyong lahat.
Can you tell us something special about Mount Costa po?
Okay, so Mount Costa po ay isang tourist destination dito sa Benguet. So it's around 30 minutes away from Baguio City. And here po sa Mount Costa, it's a 3-hectare development wherein we feature 24 landscapes. So yung landscapes po na ito, we feature different floral designs and art installations. Yung mga designs po na to, na-inspire po siya from all over the world.
Yes.
So, yung mga locals natin, even tourists po, can appreciate these different designs by just visiting Mount Costa.
Ano nga bang dapat i-expect sa Mount Costa? Mount Costa is now one of the newest growing attractions in North Luzon. Located sa cozy mountains ng Lamtang La Trinidad, this place gives you the old Baguio feels, cool air, pine trees, and peaceful surroundings.
Okay, so aside from the flowers and the art installations, meron din tayong mga interactive gardens. So, meron tayong musical garden, so you can play po different instruments.
Wow.
We also have po the kiosk area. So, kapag magutom po kayo sa kakalakad, we have a cafe where you can buy drinks, meals, and snacks. We also have po an events place. So, we also cater naman po to different weddings, debuts, and even birthday parties. And then, as you go to the Blue Trail, meron po tayong playground. Of course po, everyone po is a child at heart. So, gusto nyo po maglaro. So, pwedeng pati yung adults po mag-e-enjoy doon.
Meron ditong 24 uniquely themed gardens, 5,500 meters of walking trails, almost 100 varieties of flowers, food kiosk, and resting stations. Comfort rooms throughout the area. At ang pinakagusto ko dito, the tranquility, tahimik, presko, relaxing at perfect pang-unwind. The Bud Garden, swirling pathways with colorful flower beds, parang color journey experience. Concentric Garden, curved winding paths that feel natural yet controlled. Ang sunod dito ay ang Enchanted Garden. Parang may magic sa forest vibes nito. Perfect naman for dreamy photos.
Narito tayo ngayon sa may mistulang natutulog na higanteng bato.
Ang Greed Garden. Baroque geometry meets soft floral beauty. Maze Design Garden. At ang Formal Garden. Inspired by Renaissance Europe, symmetrical and elegant. Perfect for different events.
Ito naman yung The Formal Garden kung saan isinasagawa yung mga iba't ibang kaganapan, events like wedding, debut, birthdays at mga prenup shoots.
And we have another one, the Blue Trail. Ito ang tinatawag nila ditong Secret Experience. Dito makikita ang outdoor musical garden, Koru Garden, at ang napaka-iconic na Mirror Garden. Celestial Garden at Children's Garden Space. Pero syempre, hindi ko na po iisa-isahin lahat because you have to experience it yourself. Mas exciting kasi pag ikaw mismo ang mag-explore, di ba? At magkano nga ba ang entrance fees dito?
Sa lahat ng viewers natin, I invite you po dito sa Mount Costa. We're only 30 minutes away po from Baguio City. Alternative destination po siya because hindi po siya crowded and very fresh po ang ating surroundings dito. For only po 200 pesos for the ticket and 150 for senior PWD and students, you get to explore 24 landscapes dito sa Mount Costa.
Para naman sa mga La Trinidad resident with ID, 150 pesos lang. Ang children 3 years old and below ay libre. And you know what's the most interesting here? Because they care for repeat customers. Alam niyo bang meron silang return pass? Ito ay 1-year valid ticket for only 250 pesos. Yes, tamang narinig ninyo. Return pass na pwede kang bumalik-balik anytime, any day, for the whole year you want. Sulit na sulit, diba? Kaya balik ka na sa Mount Costa, isama mo ang iyong friends and families. Dito sa Mount Costa, marami talagang pwedeng gawin. They accept prenup shoot and nagkaroon na sila ng big events like wedding, reception, debut, concerts sa may formal garden. Take note lang, prices may change depending on the promos and marketing campaigns. And for further details and inquiries, you can check their Facebook page or message Ma'am Verona Acosta at 0977-409-7004. And how do we get there? Via Nagilian Road, past Pure Gold Irisan, travel 6 kilometers, right turn at Pico Lamtang Road. Via Long Long Road, 2.7 km then left to Pico Lamtang Road. From Baguio City naman, ride a long trip jeep from Siagam Street across Rose Garden, Burnham Park, papuntang Lamtang, baba sa Lamtang Irisan, Cockpit. You can also use Google Maps, just search Mount Costa. At ang operating hours nila dito, 9 a.m. to 5 p.m. and they're open 7 days a week. May mga rules din sila na dapat nating sundin. We should stay on paths, don't step on flower beds, no smoking or vaping, no outside food allowed, dispose trash properly. Commercial shoots require permission. And just a friendly reminder, wheelchair paths are not yet available for our elderly and persons with disabilities. At syempre, the management reminds that we must respect the nature para ma-enjoy pa natin ito for years to come. So mga ka-adventurers and viewers, if you're looking for a peaceful escape, romantic date spot, family bonding place, or even wedding and events venue, Mount Costa is definitely worth visiting. From strawberries to stunning gardens, this place proves that even after challenges, something beautiful can grow.
Ayan mga adventurers and viewers, yan ang ating adventure dito sa Mount Costa and we hope na gustuhan ninyo. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our Facebook page and YouTube channel. Ako muli si Ben Pongsila at hanggang sa muling adventure natin dito sa Northern Adventures, Exploring the North, only on Net25 Baguio.
See you po on our next adventure. Bye!